First question. What is the name of our country? Answer is Bharat, India. Second question. What is the official language of India? Answer is Hindi, English. Third question. What is the national anthem of India? Answer is Jana, Gana. Fourth question. What is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram. Fifth question. What is the national animal of India? Answer is tiger. Sixth question. What is the national fruit of India? Answer is mango. Seventh question. What is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. Eighth question. What is the national flower of India? Answer is Lotus. Ninth question. What is the national river of India? Answer is Ganga. 10th question. What is the national heritage animal of India? Answer is elephant. Eleventh question. What is the national currency of India? Answer is Rupee. Twelfth question. What is the national vegetable of India? Answer is pumpkin. 13th question. What is the national game of India? Answer is hockey. 14th question. What is the name of Indian flag? Answer is Tiranga. 15th question. When we celebrate our Independence Day? Answer is 15th of August. 16th question. When we celebrate our Republic Day? Answer is 26th of January. 17th question. What is the country code of India? Answer is +91. 18th question. Which is the highest award in India? Answer is Bharat Ratna. 19th question. Who is the current President of India? Answer is Mr. Nath Kovind. 20th question. Who is the current Vice President of India? Answer is Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. 21st question. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Answer is Mr. Narendra Modi. 22nd question. Who is the current Minister of Home Affairs in India? Answer is Mr. Amit Shah. 23rd question. Who is the current Minister of Defence in India? Answer is Mr. Rajnath Singh. 24th question. How many states and union territories of India? Answer is 28 states and 9 union territories. 25th question. What is the literacy percentage of India? Answer is 77.7%. 26th question. What is the largest state by population in India? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. 27th question. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is Ganga. 28th question. Which is the longest national highway in India? Answer is National Highway 44. 29th question. Which is the largest state in India? Answer is Rajasthan State. 30th question. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer is Goa State.